All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am Karan Singh Chhabra, and this is the closing ceremony of the 18th edition of Mumbai International Film Festival.
Under NDFC, under the guidance of Ministry of Information, NFDC, under the guidance of Ministry and Information Broadcasting, Government of India. And I am Akshaya Shetty. We're very thrilled to come here for the closing ceremony of Mumbai International Film Festival. How excited are you, Karan?
Well, I'm very excited. जैसे कि आपको मेरी आवाज से पता चल सकता है, a lot of dignitaries will be walking the grand red carpet और हम आपको रूबरू कराएंगे उनसे, यानी कि जो कि लेजेंडरी फिल्म मेकर्स हैं, टेक्नीशियंस हैं, एडिटर्स हैं, राइटर्स हैं, एक्टर्स हैं, फिल्म जगत से जुड़े बहुत सारी जो हस्तियां हैं जो अभी जल्द ही इस रेड कार्पेट पर आने वाली हैं। और साथ ही में जो क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी है, मैंने सुना है उसका जो प्रेपरेशन है वो बहुत जोरों शोरों से चल रहा था। कल हम रिहर्सल्स पे थे एंड आई कुड सी आर्टिस्ट फ्रॉम अर्जेंटीना एंड डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड हु हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ स्पेशल एक्ट especially for the closing ceremony.
Yes, and we have had a record-breaking submission registration of 1018 from 59 countries in 61 languages. Isn't that amazing?
It is, of course. In fact, global cinema की अगर बात की जाए, you know, we get very less opportunity to watch such films. And thanks to NFDC, thanks to our Honorable INB Ministry, and thanks to Mumbai International Film Festival that we get to see such cinema. There have been documentaries, animation films and short films. Achha, by the way, Akshaya, which has been your favorite documentary? Because I could see you also, you know, grabbing your popcorns and just watching. I think popcorns were not allowed inside, but
no, absolutely.
Watching the documentary.
Absolutely. As we know that we started the festival on the 15th of June, and since then we have been showcasing 314 films till yesterday. So I had an opportunity to actually see a documentary on Veer Savarkar. I was really mesmerized to know the story, all the historic moments that he had where he was there and all. And this is something that was been produced by a female, and that's also again nominated for India Amrit Kaal. So this is one of the categories of the festival, where I think so 6 films are selected for national category India Amrit Kaal. So that is one of the categories. So even that is nominated over here. So without wasting any further time, we have Mr. Georges with us. He is an animation filmmaker all the way from Switzerland. So I can't wait to welcome him over here so that he can share his amazing experience with Mumbai International Film Festival.
And he's right here. Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir. How do you feel? How do you feel about this Mumbai International Film Festival?
My English is limited, but I'm very happy to be here in this festival.
So, Mr. Georges, we would want you to tell, like, is there any film that you are also showcasing over here? If you could just like to talk about your movie, the animation film.
My what about?
Is there any film that you are basically representing over here, any of your film?
I was happy to have the opportunity to show my film and to speak with a student, with the audience, to explain how I work, how I made animated film.
Fantastic.
Short animated film.
So, what do you think is the future of animation when it comes to world cinema? Can you give him the mic?
It's difficult to say what is the future of animated film, because when the digital come, we think it finished for animation, and it was exactly the opposite what happened. So for the future, I don't want to say a second mistake.
Okay, and have you seen any of the Hindi films, any of Indian films that you have seen at this film festival in the last few days?
About Indian animated film?
Yes,
any Indian animation film, documentary or short film?
I don't have watch documentary because my English is limited and I don't understand. And I saw some Indian film in a lot of festival, but in this festival I only see my own film. Sorry.
Thank you so much for talking to us, Mr. Georges, and we really hope you all the best for coming here and enlightening the red carpet and the festival with your presence. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great evening ahead. All right, so Like I mentioned, filmmakers from Switzerland, from Argentina, from Sri Lanka, across the country, across the globe are here. And welcome, ma'am. First of all, very happy to have you here. How has your experience been overall at the MIFF?
Well, hi, I'm Dhwani Desai. Sorry, I have a bad throat today. I'm an animation filmmaker and a curator. Georges Schwitzgebel, who was just here, I have curated his retrospective and masterclass. He comes from Switzerland. And I have also curated other packages, that is animation programs, that is Greek animation and Argentina animation. I have been an animation filmmaker since the last 34 years. And I have attended the MIF since last 34 years. Earlier as a student, then as an animation professional, and now since last 12 years, I have been curating and being part of the organizing also. Because I feel that whatever I have learned and grown, because I have got international awards now, I go as international jury also. And when I see the films outside, I feel that our audience needs to see the World Masters films and what is going on in different countries. That's how I have started curating for our MIF.
So earlier as a student and now as, as somebody whose film is there at the prestigious Mumbai International Film Festival, how have you seen this festival grow and evolve? Like this time we had a record submission of 1,000 plus entries.
Well, I have been in the selection jury also this time. And it's been very nice. I was in the short fiction animation national category. And well, we had nearly 500 entries in this particular section. And the short films are amazing. It was very difficult for us to select the films. And also for animation. It's grown. Animation has started quite later compared to the other years, compared to the other countries, you know. But we are doing fantastic work. Even the newcomers and students, and there are debutant film directors of animation who are doing very good work. And I was very happy and thrilled to see the growth.
Fantastic. What do you see is the future of animation now?
Well, it's fantastic because I've seen it in, growing in the last 34 years. And initially we used to do work on film. Now the technology has grown so much. Earlier we have U-matic and Beta and DG Beta and, you know, Blu-ray, and now there is AI. So there is a lot of possibilities, and the future is extremely bright. I mean, I feel for students, the sky is the limit.
Fantastic. Like ma'am said, sky is the limit. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us here at the red carpet. And
Thank
I
you
hope you have
so
a great
much.
evening ahead. Joining us next is Mr. Olivier Catterive from France, producer animation. Welcome to the 18th edition of Mumbai International Film Festival, sir.
Thank you.
How excited are you?
I'm very excited. It was my first time in India, so first time with this festival and in Mumbai, so I discovered everything, and it was a very great experience for me.
And how about other films that you have actually witnessed in the film festival, Mumbai International Film Festival? Is there any other animation films that you have seen? The documentary film, because we had the first time ever Docu Bazaar over here.
Yes. Usually when I go to a festival, it is mostly animation film because I'm an animation producer. Sometimes it's mixed things, but there is a big place here for documentaries, and I enjoyed very much to watch some very strong documentaries, and I like it very much.
So like our guest recently was mentioning about AI coming up now in animation. What do you think is the scope of AI, and overall how is the animation industry growing in France and globally?
I think AI will change a lot of things because we can use this tool, especially for the designs. It's very useful, but of course we have to keep the hand on it, and it's a huge challenge. I think some jobs will completely disappear probably, and we'll create new ones. And considering animation, I think animation is really developing a lot actually worldwide, especially in France, like 20-25 years. And I think in India it will be the same. I think you are in the right way now.
So which has been your favorite Indian animation movie in the festival?
I don't remember the title, but I know there is a Polish film, short one, very impressive.
Okay, okay. I think so the
By
one that he's mentioning about has got to do something with the mythology. So because we had lots of mythological characters and animation films that has been showcased over here.
All right, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a great evening, and thank you for joining us. Hope you have a great stay in India.
Thank you. Have a
Thank
good
you.
evening.
Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, coming up next here at the red carpet is Mr. Munjal Shroff, co-founder, Shrapihit National Jury member as well. I hope I pronounced it rightly, sir.
Graffiti Studios.
Thank you. Sir, how has your experience been as a national jury member here at the 18th edition of MIFF?
So I think it's been an absolutely amazing experience. I think in all we watched over 77 films. So animation, fiction, documentaries, all three, and I can tell you that it was very tough because some really brilliant films have come in this year as well. And we spent an entire day debating our final decision, and I can tell you that after you see the results you will not be disappointed because some absolutely brilliant films have been selected.
So sir, did you have an experience where everybody's call was unanimous? Ki, okay, this film wins in this particular category. Those kind of experiences you have had in this festival?
Yeah, I think obviously eventually the decision is unanimous of the jury, but we do sort of debate extensively because what happens is that we want to make sure it's a fair assessment and on multiple parameters. Because I think that's the beauty of having multiple people in a jury, because every person is looking at it from a slightly different perspective. I come from the space of animation, visual effects, and producing brand communications and children's content. So I have a different lens. Obviously, my sensitivity towards animation and the craft of animation is extremely heightened, right? Whereas my co-jurors are coming in from the standpoint of narrative. That is this narrative good enough? Is it engaging enough? So I think it was just amazing to discuss, and I think like I said, that we kept an entire day just for deliberations. So because in every category we had quite a lot of films, so we shortlisted the films first, and we all came up with our favorites, and then obviously we all sort of presented each other our point of view on each of our selections. But I think it was interesting because I think in all the space or in almost all the categories, our selections are more or less common, so there was a lot of overlap between what our individual favorites were. And so what we did is we individually came up with our own selections, and then we put them out and shared with our fellow jury members. So it was a fair and objective assessment in that sense.
So is there any favorite of yours? Like if you would just like to give us our list of couple of films which you would recommend.
It's not appropriate for me. I think
without being biased.
Yeah, no, but I think in the documentary space there was some couple of brilliant films. Animation I think was especially very interesting because some of the students' films I saw and debut films that I saw were absolutely marvelous. It's some very unconventional subjects, okay, which you normally don't get to see in animation, but chosen and extremely well done as well.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. Have a great evening ahead, and I hope to see you again at the film festival.
And
all right,
thank
cheers.
you
Thank
for
you.
gracing us.
And coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, is Miss Kiko Bang, producer all the way from Japan, who's also a part of the jury for International. Welcome, Ms. Kiko. It's an
Welcome.
absolute honor to have you here.
It's an
How
honor to be here,
excited
man.
are you to be in Mumbai and enjoying the Festival of Films?
Yes, I'm absolutely having a fantastic time, and it's such an honor. But more importantly, I just think it's so wonderful to see the creativity, especially from India, the youthful energy, and the stories are just spectacular. You're
Sam,
really
is it-
going to explode.
Is it your first time with the Mumbai International Film Festival?
It's my first time at MIF.
Okay.
It's not my first time to Mumbai. a beautiful city. But yes.
And which has been your favorite category about the film festival? Because we have been showcasing documentaries, short films and animations. What we have been hearing from our juries and guests basically is that they've been really enjoying the animation sections. We've been seeing some amazing movies in the animation category. What has been your favorite category so far?
Well, I have to say I'm biased toward documentary because I've been a documentary producer.
It's good to be biased.
And, you know, I'm seeing really spectacular talent, especially from India. And, you know, this didn't used to be the case. It's been an evolution. You used to have like more newsy documentaries. Now you have extremely cinematic documentaries that are just extraordinary. And the skill is amazing. I'm just really genuinely impressed.
Thank you so much for your kind words. We just feel so overwhelmed that with you coming all the way from Japan to the Mumbai International Film Festival and being so awed with all the films that's been showcased, so hard work paid off, Phil.
Yes, yes.
We also had a documentary, Film Bazaar. Did you get to visit the Film Bazaar as well?
I got to go by, and I think it's really important to have a marketplace like that because as a filmmaker, all you want to do is make films.
Yes.
But that's not all there is. You have to raise money, and you have to also be careful you don't become an investment banker. You know, you have to get all this money, then you don't get to make your films.
Absolutely.
So I think it's been very important to have that kind of bazaar.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes,
Have a
absolutely.
great evening ahead.
Thank
and
you.
I hope to keep seeing you again.
I plan to. Thank you so
Thank
much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next is Mr. Bharat Bala, who is a producer, a well-known producer, and also jury chairman, international competitions. Hello, sir. How are you? I think I had the honor to interview you long back
Absolutely.
in your office or house, if I'm
Correct.
not wrong.
Yes, you're right.
Yes?
Karan.
Fantastic. How has the experience been? Because being a part of jury is also a kind of a duty of responsibility.
First of all, I'm very honored to be with some amazing jury. I have my other international jury members from Japan, France, Lithuania, and of course India. So to be among these diverse, creative professionals and to judge some amazing stories that have come from across the world has been some very unique experience. So overall it's been extremely culturally very enriching to judge the films, and also the kind of conversations we had among jury members was very, I would say, inspiring, and also a lot of exchange of culture and understanding.
Yeah, absolutely. We understand it's not just a film festival because we had a lot of panel discussions. We had in conversations with the industry experts like directors, filmmakers and everybody. So if you could just enlighten a little bit more about the panel discussions, the importance that the film festival had on it.
No, I think this is a very focused festival where a lot of fresh young talent, because see, documentary is the first space where filmmakers enter. So it was a very, I would say, wealthy experience for young filmmakers to be part of this conversation at MIF. And all these panel discussions were about what are the opportunities, what's happening, what are the new innovations happening. So in that sense, it was very vibrant and productive.
Fantastic. Thank you so much,
Thank you
sir.
so
Thank you
much.
for joining us, and I hope you have a great evening ahead.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, joining us next is a well-known name in the field of art, culture, and we love her. Please welcome Ms. Anuradha Potwal ji.
Good
Welcome to
evening,
Mumbai
ma'am.
International Film Festival, ma'am. That's your mark,
Fantastic.
and it's an absolute honor to have you.
Thank you so much.
सबसे पहले तो आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कैसा लग रहा है, आपने यहाँ कुछ फिल्में देखी और कलाकारों का काम देखा, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फंक्शन, और महाराष्ट्र का ये इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल है और आज उसकी क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी है. सो आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड, and I'm sure everybody who has seen the films also are pretty excited, and I wish them all the best.
Thank you so much for your kind words. मैम हम आपसे जानना चाहते हैं, हमने इस फिल्म फेस्टिवल में शॉर्ट फिल्म्स दिखाए, डॉक्यूमेंट्री दिखाए,
जी।
एनिमेशन फिल्म
जी।
दिखाए, तो इन कैटेगरी से आपका चहेता कैटेगरी क्या होगा? मतलब आप किस तरह का जॉनर देखना पसंद करती है?
देखिए, मुझे पर्सनली ये लगता है कि इंडिया ये इतना डेवलप हो रहा है, एंड वी आर कमिंग आउट विद द मोस्ट ब्रिलियंट फिल्म्स, whatever category it is, and I think we are the best.
मैम, उन लोगों को आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि ये मुंबई इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल है,
जी।
बहुत लोग सपने लेकर आते हैं, बहुत लोग आपकी तरह बनना चाहते हैं, कलाकार, अच्छा कलाकार बन के अपना नाम कमाना चाहते हैं, क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे? आप लाइव हैं, हमारे दूरदर्शन के दर्शक आपको देख रहे हैं, एक मैसेज जो आप उनको देना चाहें।
वेल, बम्बई एक ऐसी जगह है जहां हर किसी के लिए जगह है। एवरीबडी इज वेलकम हियर। मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई बम्बई आया है और निराश वापस लौटा है। सो आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट। लगे रहो।
अगर मैं थोड़ा सेल्फिश हो रहा हूँ, मैं दर्शकों को पहले ही बता दूं, मैं आपसे कुछ 2 लाइनें सुनना चाहता हूं। मैम, मैं आपको लाइव पहली बार देख रहा हूं, सो आई वांट
सो लेट मी विश एवरीबडी अ वेरी हैप्पी वर्ल्ड म्यूजिक डे टुडे।
Oh, wonderful.
Fantastic.
Thanks, fantastic. We are like very lucky to have you over here there.
So,
here are 2 lines.
धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में आना, धीरे धीरे से दिल को चुराना, तुमसे प्यार हमें है कितना जाने जाना, तुमसे मिलकर तुमको है बताना।
क्या बात है, वर्ल्ड म्यूजिक डे पे इससे खूबसूरत बात हो ही नहीं सकती है। थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस, और मैं कामना करता हूँ आपकी शाम बहुत ही खूबसूरत हो।
Thank you so much, ma'am, and we feel blessed with your presence.
Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, coming up next is Mr. Manas Chaudhary, who's a renowned filmmaker and is also a jury international here at the 18th edition of Mumbai International Film
Hello,
Festival.
sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm extremely happy.
And how do you feel about the Mumbai International Film Festival, the footfalls that we have had? We have been having this particular thing since the 15th of June. So how do you feel about it?
I'm extremely happy. I'm so excited to be a part of the international jury also. There are interesting, sensitive films have come. So it was lovely and the international juries, people were so warm, and this is lovely. So many Indian films have come up. So many Indian films they are sensitive and enriched technically. So it's wonderful.
And if you would like to talk about your association with NFDC, because this whole thing has been organized by NFDC, if you could just speak about it.
It's the Ministry of Information Broadcasting and NFDC, they have come up the idea of getting together all the filmmakers from all over the world, who is discussing about the global issue differently. So all the films were talking about different issues which are enriching by the NFDC together, bringing us together, the international jury, bringing us the filmmakers from different part of the world. So which is a wonderful thing for India.
And sir, we got to know that we had 71 countries participate,
59 countries.
Sorry, 59 countries. I'm so sorry for that. 59 countries
and
participating and 61 languages.
Yeah. Every time it's increasing. Earlier it was like less countries. Right now it's 69 countries, and coming up by this, like there will be many more countries will be associated with this. So it will be a wonderful thing for our country.
Any of the movies that you would like to suggest our audience over here, as you have been the jury, you had the privilege of actually going through all of that.
There are many films they are talking about. Many films have different aspects, and there are some films who are touching your heart at some corner. So I think every films are at the par. All the Indian films, like the international films, all the Indian films are coming up at par. So very interesting elements. They are talking about the global issues, climate, environment, and also very sensitive issues. So it's like wonderful.
Fantastic. On this note, sir, thank you so much for joining us here. मैं आशा करता हूँ आने वाली शाम आपके लिए बहुत खूबसूरत हो.
Thank you.
And I hope to see you again at the festival.
Thank you
so much.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have with us Lifetime Achievement Award winners, Mr. Subhaya Nallamuthu and Dr. V. Shantaramji.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. How are you? And how do you feel about this whole evening? We have people from different countries showcasing their films. We have been having a huge success, as we can say. I would want you to speak a few words about this.
I'm attending Mumbai International Film Festival for the last 10-12 years because I'm from Film Institute. The last 10-12 years we are.
Welcome sir.
Welcome sir.
सबसे पहले तो स्वागत है आपका 18th edition of Mumbai International Film Festival में.
Very proud that this year, V. Shantaram Award, Lifetime Achievement Award, we have given to him. The work of his is fantastic. I don't know you have seen his films or not. So many national awards and so many other awards. It's a great thing for me and on my father's name. And especially on the 18th festival, this is a closing day.
Yes.
It's a very sad thing that we are to close this festival. And so many beautiful films we have seen. And so nice, so many people. I'm thinking this Mumbai festival or any good festival, it is a national integration for the people. Because there the caste and credit and nothing is there. All are together and enjoy the film. And I'm happy that this year is a correct choice from my team has given this Nalla Mattu the V. Shantaram Award. And he is the person, so he should talk more about the tigers and this than me.
सर अच्छा नेशनल लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड तो आपने दे दिया, कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा नहीं लगता अभी और भी ज्यादा काम करना है और मोटिवेशन मिला है और देश का नाम रोशन करना है?
लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट इज नॉट फॉर द रिटायरमेंट. It is a lifetime achievement award for the encouragement to give more output again. So it is not only that V. Shantaram Award is a lifetime achievement. No.
Yes.
In his life up till now, whatever he has achieved, for that this award is there. That is.
Basically, we need to start something new in the life. I mean, one chapter is over. I'm thinking of starting something new.
Absolutely.
It's not the lifetime which we are going to stop it. But yes, I'm also very proud and very happy to get Dr. Sandharam's award in non-fiction. I'm in this field for the last 25-30 years.
Yeah.
And my work has been recognized. So I'm very happy and I'm thankful to the government of India and Maharashtra. It's a very great honor to me.
And we would also like you to speak a little bit about your association with NFDC, as you have been attending this film festival for quite a long time.
Yeah, but I can see because this time what worked is they started a new co-production market,
yes,
which is a very good thing because as a filmmaker and most of my films, I'm in the wildlife space. I normally make pitch and go to world market and pitch the projects. But the same feeling, same thing they started now here in documentary.
Yes.
That's a very good, what do you call that? Very good initiative, particularly for students.
Yeah.
Particularly, first-time filmmakers. They contact people, they pitch the project, they understand what is working, what is not working. That's a good initiative. And the Doc Bazaar is also good and very good international films. And particularly this time they got wildlife films. That's a new package. So it's a very good festival, yeah.
All right, sir.
And
on this note,
we wish you all luck and congratulations for winning the Lifetime Achievement Award. And as sir mentioned that he has actually found in the perfect diamond to basically award this particular thing. And congratulations once again for both of us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next on the prestigious red carpet is Mr. Sanskar Desai, President, Indian Documentary Producers Association. Welcome, sir.
Hello. Well, thank you.
Documentaries, I think, are the flavor of the season. And
absolutely.
As the President of Indian Documentary Producers Association, what amount of responsibility, I would say, is on your shoulders when it comes to showcasing documentaries here at the festival?
Yeah, it is a lot, because since 1990, the Indian Documentary Producers Association has been the partner, knowledge partner of MIF. And I currently, as a president, I'm in the organizing committee. So we overall try to see how best filmmakers who come from all over the country, they can show their films, and how best we can, connect them to a lot of people around us. Yeah.
And so there was also a documentary film bazaar.
Yes, absolutely.
And it's happening for the first time, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, it is happening here for the first time.
So what do you have to say about that? Because at the end of the day, commercial angle is also important, and giving a marketplace like this at such a prestigious platform is also important.
Right. It is very important, and I'm sure that there are a lot of projects which are in the pipeline and which will see the light of the day. So we are happy that this is happening. It used to happen for feature films in IFFI, but it has started here, so we are very, very happy.
That's
So-
where we want you to throw some light on this first time ever docu-bazaar that's happening. As you mentioned that you have been associated with this since 1990 and this is the first time happening. This is a great platform for all those
It is.
documentary filmmakers to basically sell and have an investor, have a distributor for all of it. This is the first time ever happening thing. So
Yes,
what thought went behind this?
Basically, people, it's difficult to find many a times for good projects funding. So this is a right platform for people to approach, and even projects to be, scrutinized and presented before the, people who would be funding agencies. So we are happy that things are happening, and hopefully maybe next edition would be much better than this one. So this is just a start. आगे आगे देखिए होता है
होता
कि
है
नहीं।
जैसे कि सर ने कहा ये तो बस शुरुआत है आगे आगे
जी।
देखिए होता है क्या थैंक यू सो मच फॉर
Thank you.
joining us
Thank
and have
you.
a great evening ahead
Thank you.
Coming up next at the red carpet is Mr. Daniel Cuer, if I pronounce it rightly, Consul General of Argentina. Welcome sir, welcome to the
Thank
Mumbai
you.
International Film Festival.
Thank you very much.
It's an absolute honor to have you here. How excited are you, and how many of the films did you see in the last couple of days, and which has been your favorite, if I may ask?
In fact, I saw a lot of films, and between them there were 8 Argentine animation films curated by Devani Desai, an Indian filmmaker, and I was very proud to be there. The best for me was one whose name is The Job, El Empleo, this animation film. Very good one, and I'm very excited to be here. We are going to have today a tango show for the opening.
I saw the rehearsals yesterday.
Yeah, they have been rehearsing for 5-6 days, so
Yes.
they have worked very hard,
Yes.
and I hope everybody will like it.
Yes,
so
sir.
we see
We
your
were actually
enthusiasm.
enjoying,
Actually, you were amongst a few of them who was actually able to name few of the films in the correct categories. So a true cinema lover is what I see over here in you.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Apart from the Argentina films, which other film from the global cinema or the world cinema, if I say, has been your favorite?
I didn't have the opportunity to see the other films. That's why I refer to the Argentine ones.
But we request you to come again next time at
Yes,
the
I
Mumbai
have to
International
come
Film
again,
Festival and
yes.
watch all the films in all other
Of course.
countries and all other
Of course.
languages.
I like Indian films a lot.
Which has been your favorite, if you have seen, if you could name anyone?
Rubali.
Which
Rubali.
Ru-
Rubali.
yes.
Rubali, which one?
Rubali.
Have you I think
I'm not sure.
I think
I
you
would
must
say
have seen the film.
Rudali. I think so. He means to say Rudali.
Rudali.
It's Rudali.
Rudali.
Dimple Kapadia's
Oh,
Rudali.
yes.
Okay,
Yes.
fantastic.
It's very exciting film, very social film from the
Mourners,
from
those
India.
traditional
Yeah, the
Rajasthani
mourning,
mourners.
and the music was amazing of
Yes.
that film.
Fantastic. So this time also we had the documentary film bazaar happening here at the Mumbai International Film Festival, which is one of the first happening here. What do you think is the importance of documentary films, and what do you see as the scope?
I think that the documentary films are very important because they are a reference to history and to social things of one country. In this sense, I think that this is a very interesting documentary to see. I'm very aware of that. But we didn't, from Argentina, we didn't have any this time.
So next year you hope to bring
Next
documentary
time, yeah.
films here as
All
well.
the animation film we had.
So talking about animation, sir, there is a lot of scope that we have also been discussing with dignitaries, and they say AI now will also play an important role in animation. What do you think is the future of animation in your country and overall?
In my country, there is a vibrant society, many young people studying film and doing films, and animation is a field with is very important, and there are very good talents from Argentina. So I hope everybody has enjoyed the 8 animation films that we had this time.
All right. Thank you so much, sir, and I wish you all the very best. And like you promised me, next time you will come with a lot of good
course,
documentaries
yes.
as
Thank you.
well, and short films and films.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you
so
so
much.
much,
Have a
sir.
great evening. Thank you. All right, all right. The red carpet is buzzing and happening, and I can see my friend who has just
We
walked
have
in the red carpet in
Palash.
his own vibrant self, Palash Datta. Palash, welcome to the 18th edition of Mumbai International Film Festival. I've seen you been a very regular at a lot of film festivals. You are an art lover, an artist yourself. What do you have to say about the evolution of the film festivals that are happening in our country, especially MIFF?
Okay, first and foremost, I would really like to thank the organizing team for inviting me specially for this closing night red carpet ceremony. And Karan and Akshay are doing a fantastic job. I was watching you all from there. As always, Karan is exceedingly well. So coming back to your question, the evolution of the festival. So well, I've been attending a lot of film festivals for the last 18-20 years. And I must say the bouquet of films which every year they are churning is like incredibly awesome. Why? Because cinema is changing, cinema is evolving. So as per the cinema content, and the audience have become intelligent, you can't fool an audience. So audience is the king, content is the king. So I feel that with changing times, cinema is evolving, and even the audience tastes are evolving. So keeping in mind those perspectives, I think the film festivals are actually tapping those kind of films which grab eyeballs, and also which is relevant and which is topical, which is, I think, commendable.
Fantastic. Tell me more about your look of the day. Is it inspired by any film or anything that you can relate with, or it just came in your mind and you want to wear it?
Well, I had worn formals on the red carpet at the opening night, and I said for the closing night, let me wear something Indian yet contemporary. So as they say, the flavor of the season is Hira Mandi, but I'm sorry to say it's not Hira Mandi. It's Pakiza meets Mughal-e-Azam meets Hira Mandi. So this entire creation is created by me. I've done the entire styling, and so yeah, I mean it's self-created. So I think it's basically a Mughal look. I would depict it as a Mughal look.
I would say it's a contribution to the Indian culture and heritage, because we were also talking about the same in our films and the documentaries that we have been showcasing. We had like 314 films that we showcased at the film festival. If you could just name a few, because I do see that you have been watching all of them. So which has been like few of your favorites?
So well, I've been ardently as an avid film watcher. And also film producer. I've turned a producer in the last 6 years, and since I'm also an actor and a casting director, so I have been coming every day watching films from afternoon 12 till late night 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So I must point out two films which really moved me internally. It inspired me in many ways, and one is particularly Bhagwan, which is produced and cast by my friend Tejas and Prashant Ingle. I think it's a very, very, very well conceived film. It's a very thought-provoking film, और एक सुंदर कहानी के जरिए उन्होंने एक मैसेज जो पिरोया है कहानी के माध्यम के थ्रू was commendable, and casting was incredible. बिकॉज उन्होंने रूरल महाराष्ट्र से कास्टिंग की थी, और मेरे ख्याल से शायद एक्टर्स नहीं थे, रियल लाइफ एक्टर्स, रियल लाइफ लोगों से काम करवाया, विच इज अ कमेंडेबल जॉब. एंड सेकंड फिल्म विच आई सॉ yesterday by this Lebanon filmmaker called Rene. I met her yesterday, and it's a documentary. It's a documentary about her cousin sister who is battling through a lot of issues mentally, emotionally, through depression, and the way the narrative is handled, the way the story unfolds towards the end, and I think it's a very novel way of storytelling. So I highly recommend Rene's film and my friend's film Bhagwan, and I hope it wins all the awards and all the accolades. Wishing them all the best.
For sure. Thank you so much,
Thank
Palash.
you so much,
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you
Have
so
a
much.
great evening.
Keep up the good work.
Thank you, Palash.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next is actor and Vice President Cinta, Mr. Deepak Parasharji.
Hello,
Deepak ji,
sir.
welcome to the Mumbai International Film Festival.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure and an honor to be here for the closing ceremony. Yes, I'm the Vice President of CINTA, the Cine Artists Association, and I'm representing all of them. because Poonam Dhillon and Padmini Kolhapuri are traveling, so they couldn't come. So next in line was me, so that's why I'm here. It's been a wonderful experience, and I hope that this international festival gets repeated soon, because whatever I've seen and heard of it or read about it has been brilliant, and all the performances which I saw on the first day on the opening was really wonderful. And kudos to the organizers, kudos to the Information Broadcasting Minister, Mr. Murugan. He's been very kind. Vrunda has been very nice. And people from Doordarshan, that is Sandeep, who's standing right and staring at me, I don't know why. And Kanchan Prasad, I must not forget. I have to thank her as well. And thank you both. You look lovely and
Thank you so much.
So one
sir.
question, as you know, an artist having such a huge filmography, and as vice president of an artist union, what do you have to say about the platform, the number of opportunities that a festival like MIFF gives to actors like us?
Well, in my opening speech, when I came for the opening ceremony, I did say that this is a wonderful platform for all newcomers, and to showcase their talent, which they did, and I wish them all the best. Good luck to them.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us. Hope you have a great evening ahead.
Thank you so much for gracing the red carpet with your presence. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Just red for red carpet, sir.
You are the red carpet yourself. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, जैसे कि सितारों का आना जाना लगा हुआ है, अक्षय, are you excited? तुम्हें मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं सबसे मिलकर?
जैसे हम बढ़ रहे हैं, वैसे बड़े ही बड़े सितारे आ रहे हैं और उतनी ज़्यादा excitement बढ़ रही है.
Okay, now I hope I pronounce this rightly. Mr. Hernan Ohako.
Hernanoako.
Hernanoako.
Yes.
All right, so welcome to the Mumbai International Film Festival. You are a tango master, a choreographer from Argentina, and let me tell you all, I saw him rehearsing yesterday, and he has been putting in a lot of blood, sweat, efforts for a performance at the grand closing ceremony of the 18th Mumbai International Film Festival. How does it feel?
It feels awesome. It feels awesome. This is like amazing people, amazing colors. I think it represents India to the fullest. I'm very, very happy to be here.
So as Karan mentioned, we yesterday saw a mastering with direct instructions saying that you have to be in poise, you have to be smiling, you have to show that grace, just don't be so dead on the stage. So are we going to see the master also showing us some of his moves?
No, not this time. This time I just choreograph. Yes, there will be another time.
We just
teach us some moves.
Yeah, master can't show those.
You want to
moves
see it
on
now?
stage, yeah?
Together?
Absolutely. The master is going to show
now you will learn. Thank you. Yeah, I request you to please be in frame or. Okay, sir. ये मैं दर्शकों को बता दूं, खास तौर से अर्जेंटीना से आए हैं, and he is a tango master. And Akshaya, did you learn something?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I loved it because I've been waiting probably since yesterday to actually learn it from the master, a little tidbit, and I just feel like delighted.
Fantastic.
And I just feel like a queen.
So, Queen, I request you to also, let's proceed with the ceremony. It's about to start. So,
thank you very much.
Excited to see your
You're very welcome to join us.
Thank you so much.
At the closing ceremony,
for
wish
being
you
so
all the very
graceful.
best. All the very best. And now, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, सितारों को आना जाना लगा हुआ है. अब मेरे बहुत ही खास दोस्त, जाने माने actor, fighter, I would say, Akshay Oberoi is there.
How are you, bro? How are you? So I love seeing you, man.
Yeah.
Hi, Akshay. Welcome from
you too, Akshay.
Akshay is your name? Oh, that's
Oh yes, मेरे साथ एक तरफ है अक्षया, एक तरफ है अक्षय. क्या
और
बात
क्या
है?
चाहिए तेरे को लाइफ?
So Akshay, first of all,
yeah, that's your line.
just wanted to ask you, this is the 18th edition of Mumbai International Film Festival. We've seen you in a lot of films, in a lot of series, in a lot of TV shows. How does it feel, and how does an actor like you resonate with such a film festival?
This is so important. This is the backbone of cinema. मैं अक्सर कहता हूँ कि देखो, otherwise अगर ये नहीं होता ना, film festivals नहीं होते, तो देन एवरीथिंग वुड रिलाई ऑन द बॉक्स ऑफिस. अगर फिल्म चलती है तो लोग उसको जानते हैं, उसको पहचानते हैं, उसको देखते हैं, उसको सराहते हैं. But if you have platforms like this, then small films, a lot of the films I act in as well, get noticed, get an audience, get viewership, and that's very important. वो नहीं रहेगा ना, cinema खत्म हो जाएगा. So this is extremely important to have these kind of festivals, and more so than the awards that we do. You know, we do a lot of award ceremonies, which you know quite well.
Which I host.
Which he hosts a lot of them. So nothing on, not a knock on that, but these are actually important to keep cinema alive.
Right. So Akshay, which has been your recent favorite film from global cinema, if I would say?
Well, I would say there's a lovely film called Fighter by Siddharth Anand. That is probably my favorite.
Well, yeah, it's actually gone global, by the way, trending on Netflix.
I believe it's trending on Netflix.
And
That's
in
right.
theaters, yeah.
And in
But
theaters,
अपनी
it did
फिल्म
quite
के
well.
अलावा अक्षय, जरा मैं आपसे सुनना चाहता हूँ कोई और लैंग्वेज की फिल्म जो आपको अच्छी लगी हो.
मुझे आवेशम बहुत अच्छी लगी, जो मलयाली फिल्म है, और मुझे मंजुबल बॉयज भी काफी अच्छी लगी. एक्चुअली मुझे मलयालम सिनेमा देखने में बहुत मजा आ रहा है आजकल. I don't know about you guys, but those films are just, they're quite fun.
And they're
One
very
film you wish you were a part of.
Yeah, they're like these only. I really wish I was like Avesham देखने के बाद I was like I wish I was in this movie.
Wow.
You know, I would have done anything in the movie. I don't need Fahad's role. Like I would have done anything to be in a good film like that. I love cinema. I'm a fan of cinema. So like for me, sometimes the film is above my role in the film. You know, sometimes you do a film because you want to be in that movie. And that movie is like that. So, and as you were saying, I think वो culture पकड़ के चल रहे हैं.
Absolutely.
You know, somewhere we've lost our footing somewhere, which we're coming back now with smaller films,
So as you
medium-sized
mentioned, they're like a
films.
little grounded also in terms
Yeah.
of their stories, also very
Yeah.
realistic for
Yeah.
that matter, and I think so that's exactly why the audience is able to relate to it.
Yeah,
much
I mean,
more.
and look at all these. I mean, there were so many remakes of Malayalam films that did so well in Hindi.
Yeah.
So it's not. I mean, they're the same audience. They're Indians everywhere. It's just we have to catch up. I think. As when I say we, I'm talking about Hindi cinema.
So now, of course, we've spoken about films, Akshay. Which has been your recent favorite short film, I would say? And also, let me tell you, we had a lot of documentaries at this film festival, and we also had a documentary film bazaar, which was like a marketplace for documentary films and filmmakers.
You know, I just went to the Lucknow Short Film Festival. I just got back like few days ago. तो वहाँ पर मैंने इतने short films देखे ना, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा कौन सा मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया, but it's also very exciting to land from one film festival and come to another one that is celebrating short films.
Which
You
is
know,
true.
that is so
Which is
important. I'm so glad to know that this is happening and that I'm being invited to them, and that I'm also being able to be a part of them in whatever small, short way.
तो
you know.
जैसे आपने कहा कि यू हैव बीन फ्रॉम लखनऊ, तो मैं बता दूं कि यहाँ पर भी मुंबई के अलावा पैरेलल स्क्रीनिंग हो रही है दिल्ली, कलकत्ता, पुणे और चेन्नई में.
इन सारी फिल्मों का
इन्हीं फिल्मों का पैरेलल स्क्रीनिंग हो रहा है इन 4 शहरों में. सो दिस टाइम फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर डूइंग इट इन द 5 cities.
Wow, that's so impressive, यार, तालियां.
अच्छा अक्षय, मेरे को पता है बहुत फिल्मी हो, आप फिल्मों के दीवाने हो, बहुत पैशनेट हो फिल्मों को लेके. मैं चाहता हूं हिंदी सिनेमा में से आप दर्शकों को, यहाँ हम लाइव हैं दूरदर्शन पे, अपना कोई ऑल टाइम फेवरेट डायलॉग जरा बोल के दिखा.
डायलॉग मुझे लगा तू आसान बनाएगा मेरे लिए और बोलेगा कि सबसे फेवरेट फिल्म बताओ या
वो तो आपने बता दी ना अभी.
देखो
देखो क्या है,
रिश्ते में तो
थोड़ी एक्टिंग ना करवाएं, उसे कैसे हो सकता है ना. अभी हमने अनुराधा जी से
रिश्ते
गाना
में हम
करवाया.
तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं.
क्या बात.
नाम है अक्षय.
नाम है शहनशाह. There's no need to finish that dialogue, but that's what came to mind.
Fantastic. Akshay, you want to ask him something?
I think so. He's just highlighted the key points of the cinema and what we lack basically in the Indian feature film segment, and as well as highlighted the importance of short films and documentaries so brilliantly that everything has been just said and done. But I just want him to mention, I just want you to mention, what is that you would like to say to the younger generation, the film students who are very keen currently, who are basically doing short films and documentary, but basically aim at feature films.
Everybody is equipped with an iPhone these days. Pick it up, get your friends, shoot it. Practice, 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 practice. Gone are the days of being launched by some family, or gone are the days कि तुम किसी को जानते हो, तुम्हारे ऊपर पैसा लगाएगा वो आदमी. Prove to people that you have the talent, you have the things available at your fingertips today. Get people, write your own script, shoot a 10-minute short film, bring it here, showcase it.
और पता है यही स्टूडेंट्स ने और कई सारे शॉर्ट फिल्म मेकर्स ने किया भी है इस फेस्टिवल में. दे हैव शॉट फ्रॉम देयर वेरी ओन फोन एंड दे हैव बीन सिलेक्टेड इन द नेशनल कैटेगरी आल्सो.
मैं कास्टिंग के लिए बिल्कुल रेडी हूँ. प्लीज जिसके पास भी शॉर्ट फिल्म और आईफोन है मुझे फोन करिए. थैंक यू.
एंड्रॉइड भी चलेगा.
हाँ, एंड्रॉइड भी चलेगा. सॉफ्टवेयर अच्छा होना चाहिए, लेंसेज अच्छे होने चाहिए.
क्या
All
बात
right.
है. तो इसी बात पे आई थिंक हम
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you
अक्षय
so
मैडम की
much.
इजाजत हो तो हम अक्षय की इजाजत हो तो अक्षय को जाने
I was
दें.
quite mesmerized, like every other girl of this country is.
Oh, please, you're being too kind. अभी मैं देखो मैं आपके ड्रेस की तरह लाल हो चुका हूँ.
क्या बात है. तो इसी बात पे मैं चाहता हूँ इसी लाल कारपेट पे चलकर आप आगे की सेरेमनी
That's why
अटेंड
you
करें.
get paid for this job and I don't.
Thank you.
Always
Akshay.
good to see
All
you,
the very
man.
best, my
Nice
brother.
meeting you, Akshay. Lovely.
तो ये थे अक्षय ओबेरॉय जिन्होंने रिसेंटली फाइटर में सबका दिल जीता विद ऋतिक रोशन, दीपिका पादुकोण एंड व्हाट अ फैंटास्टिक फिल्म इट वाज. अभी भी फिल्म ट्रेंड कर रही है.
जी, बिल्कुल.
अक्षय, फिल्मों का सिलसिला चल ही रहा है, फिल्मों की बातें चल रही हैं, शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, डॉक्यूमेंट्री, एनिमेशन फिल्म. तुम्हारी फेवरेट एनिमेशन फिल्म कौन सी है?
मेरी फेवरेट एनिमेशन फिल्म है बाहुबली.
बाहुबली.
हाँ, because I was so excited and interested when I watched the first part of Bahubali and जितनी क्यूरियोसिटी से पूरी कंट्री वेट कर रही थी एक्चुअली पार्ट 2 की. और when they came up with Bahubali, and you know what, there is also one more animation around the same genre, which is Hanuman.
Oh yes.
Yeah, Hanuman. Oh my God, I have not seen a more handsome Hanuman than the animation character Hanuman.
Yes, 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 absolutely. तो माध्यम कोई भी हो, I think any content that either entertains you or inspires you, I think always wins the battle. जैसे कि कल इसी फिल्म फेस्टिवल पे हम साथ में एक फिल्म देख रहे थे, श्रीकांत. अगेन अ वेरी वेरी इंस्पायरिंग जर्नी, और राजकुमार राव ने बहुत ही अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस की है उस फिल्म के अंदर. और जो लोग यहाँ थिएटर में थे उन्होंने देखा होगा, फील किया होगा वो, एंड देयर वाज अ स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन. और साक्षात श्रीकांत जी आए थे और उन्होंने बात की ऑडियंस से, उन्होंने सबको इंस्पायर किया. बिकॉज जैसे कि उन्होंने कहा कि डिसेबिलिटी होना इज नॉट द थिंग, साइट ना होना और विजन ना होना बहुत फर्क है.
So this is exactly what he mentioned, right? You don't need to have a vision to see dreams, and this is what he was actually living in. And today this is exactly what we see here. Filmmakers, students who have got their movies and who have got their movies nominations, they at one point in time dreamt of it. And this very platform, the 18th edition of Mumbai International Film Festival by NFDC, makes these dreams of theirs possible, right?
बिल्कुल. और जल्द ही दर्शकों हम आप सबको बता दें, there will be the closing ceremony will be starting shortly. We'll have performances, we'll have the awards. और जिन लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत से ये शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, ये डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज, ये एनिमेशन फिल्म्स बनाई हैं और सबमिट किए, जैसे कि मैंने बताया 1000 से ऊपर एंट्रीज आई हैं.
1018 record breaking submissions we have had.
तो उनको अवार्ड दिया जाएगा इन ऑल द रिस्पेक्टिव कैटेगरीज, एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड आई होप मे द बेस्ट मैन और वुमन विन.
Absolutely. See, फिल्में तो हम देखते ही हैं, बट जब हमें प्रोत्साहन दिया जाता है, when we are being recognized for the efforts that we have put in. So today is that very day when all these films, 314 films that we have showcased at the Mumbai International Film Festival, will be rewarded and awarded. Not just awarded, these filmmakers will also be rewarded because the prize money is total of 49 lakhs. That's the very interesting and that's a very motivating point, isn't it?
Fantastic. So, सिनेमा की अगर हम बात भी करें अक्षय, what do you think the evolution of OTT has brought to the way films are being made? OTT के आने से बहुत ज़्यादा जो content consumers हैं, people who consume content, watch movies, their tastes have also changed because they have so much of choice right now. So at the end of the day, the best content wins. What do you have to say about the coming of OTT and then पहले हम टीवी पे फिल्म देखते थे, थिएटर में जाते थे, उसके बाद बहुत इंतजार करने के बाद टीवी पे फिल्म आती थी.
देखिए, आज भी हम टीवी में ही देखते हैं, आज भी हम देखते हैं दूरदर्शन पे. मुझे अभी भी याद है कि बचपन में जब भी मैं अपने नानी के घर जाती थी, मेरी मूवी सिर्फ दूरदर्शन में होती थी. और आज भी मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन दैट वी हैव वॉचेस मूवीज eagerly waiting on दूरदर्शन. So even though we say there has been an evolution of OTT, that OTT evolution I think so it's only at the urban cities, okay? So rural में अभी भी फिल्मों को उतना ही प्यार दिया जाता है और दूरदर्शन में उन फिल्मों का वेट किया जाता है.
फैंटास्टिक. आई थिंक हमारे पास बहुत ही खास मेहमान भी शायद आने वाले हैं. मुझे एक सेकेंड सर दे दीजिए आप, या तो ऑलराइट. Fantastic. We have filmmakers from Belarus, Mr. Yuri, and
come a little
can I
ahead,
please
sir.
know your name?
Alexander.
So if you could just come a little
Alexander,
ahead.
sir, welcome to the Mumbai International Film Festival. It's an absolute honor to have you here. I love how you are representing your country with that flag on your coat. That's absolutely amazing. Is this your first time in Mumbai?
Basically, for me, yes, I'm the first time here, but I came here in December to work as a Consul General of Belarus. So I'm staying here. I have been staying here for around 6 months. But my colleague, he is from Belarus, basically 3 days already in Mumbai. He is Director General of our national cinema studio, Belarus Film. He came here to represent the films, documentary, short films, animation for MIF.
So what do you think is the importance of cinema and a festival like this where we have an exchange of ideas, an exchange of art, we get to see each other's cinema, short films, documentaries, animations, and also get to know each other's culture?
В чем важность показывать документальное кино, короткометражные фильмы, анимация?
Документальное кино, оно раскрывает личность и характер человека.
Documentary films open the personality and the soul of any person.
Fantastic.
И все остальное кино это показывает культуру народа и отображает, олицетворяет красоту народа.
And films also reflect the culture and beauty of any peoples.
Yes, and like sir rightly said, films definitely reflect the culture of people, of any country, of any community, and we are absolutely delighted to get to know your country, and I look forward to see more of your films and get to know more of your culture. But talking about Indian culture and Indian films, have you seen any of the Indian movies?
Of course, I've seen. We have seen those movies. We saw those movies even in 1980s. With Mithun Chakraborty as a film star, Dance and Disco Dancer.
Disco Dancer. Oh wow! So I think our very own Mithunda, we call him Mithunda, which so Mithunda is very famous in Belarus as well.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. So what do you have to say about the documentary film bazaar that we had recently? In this film festival, it was the first attempt where there was an entire marketplace for documentaries.
Очень большая и серьезная оценка дается документальному кино.
The documentaries are very much appreciated and very much assessed in this during this film festival.
И на следующий фестиваль мы предоставим более 5 или 7 фильмов для участия.
We have presented our documentaries this year and 4 films, and for the next time we will provide more documentary films.
Fantastic, that's great. Akshaya, what do you have to say on this cultural exchange that is happening and the
Absolutely. So
importance
when
of
he said
documentaries?
from Belarus, and obviously there is a language barrier, but passion does not have any language barrier, as I feel like, and art brings everybody together, and you have proven the same over here. And with this passion, as you mentioned, that next year you're going to coming up with like more and more films. As we've been just doing this film festival alternate years, this is the 18th edition of it, so unfortunately we'll have to wait for 2 more years for us to actually see those participation from Belarus.
2
And
or 1, you don't know.
it's alternate years, as we always do. So we're very excited to have you guys over here presenting your movie, your culture, and your presence has basically graced this red carpet of yours.
Of course, and so okay, we spoke about your country's films, you also spoke about Indian films, and we know that you love Mithunda. Apart from Indian and Belarus films, which has been a country whose cinema you like the most recently that you saw, or any of the languages apart from your own or ours that touched your heart?
Yes, I think that there are no barriers basically in culture. Of course, in language, sometimes this is the barrier, but the passion which you can see on the screen, there is no barriers, no language barriers, no traditional barriers, because love and passion, it is visible everywhere, all the time, on the screen as well.
Fantastic. Do you know a bit of Hindi, by the way?
Only a couple of words,
Can you share with us, and I'll probably tell you some nice Bollywood sentences.
For sentences, this is too much complicated, but I would like to say to the organizers, to all of you guys, Dhanyavad and Namaste.
Dhanyavad and Namaste.
Namaste.
So we can say one thing, okay? In English, it means I am in love with Mumbai International Film Festival, okay? So in Hindi, you say, मुझे मुंबई इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल से
मुझे मुंबई इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल से
प्यार हो गया है.
प्यार हो गया है.
Fantastic, sir. हमें आपसे प्यार हो गया है. And what a sport you have been. Thank you so much for gracing this red carpet, and I hope you enjoy the entire ceremony ahead.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Namaste.
Дякую, дякую.
Thank you, thank you. And like I told you, the dignitaries, the stars have been continuing with their presence. They are gracing the prestigious red carpet of the 18th Mumbai International Film Festival. I have with me Amy Barua, if that's right, and she's a documentary filmmaker and national awardee. You've also won award for your film. How does that feel?
Yeah, it's really great, and see, MIF is very close to my heart. And last year, my documentary was honored as the best documentary in 17 MIF.
Wow.
And yes, I got 2 national awards for my debut directorial film. Yes, today I'm here because MIF की entire team इतने अच्छे हैं, इतने supportive है, तो मुझे तो यहाँ आके पूरा घर जैसा फील होता है. एंड जो जितने भी सिनेफाइल्स हैं, मैं उनको बोलना चाहूँगी हमेशा से कि फिल्म और डॉक्यूमेंट्री सिर्फ देखने के लिए, मनोरंजन के लिए नहीं होता है, बहुत सीख भी मिलते हैं, तो हमें बहुत देखना चाहिए. थैंक यू.
तो आपने डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म के बारे में कहा और आप 2 बार नेशनल अवार्ड भी जीत चुकी अपनी डॉक्यूमेंट्री मूवीज के लिए. मिफ ने पहली बार डॉक्यू बाजार ऑर्गेनाइज किया था, विच इज लाइक अ गुड प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर द डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर फॉर सेलिंग, प्रमोटिंग एंड हैविंग एन इन्वेस्टर. सो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट दिस थॉट?
ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. हम लोगों का सोसाइटी में ऐसा एक थॉट्स था कि डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म्स ऐसे ही बनाया जाता है, कुछ टाइम के लिए देख लिया. और सच बोलूं तो किसी लोगों को, कई लोगों को ऐसा भी लगता है ये तो बोरिंग सी काम है, क्या देखेंगे, इतना ज्ञान क्या करेंगे. लेकिन इस टाइम मीफ ने जो किया कि ये फिल्म्स भी सेल हो सकते हैं, हमारी थॉट्स भी हम ऐसे सेल कर सकते हैं. जितने भी न्यू कमर्स हैं उनको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. और मैं सोचती हूँ आईबी मिनिस्ट्री और पिथुल जी का बहुत बड़ा इनिशिएटिव है ये, उनको मैं थैंक्स बोलना चाहती हूँ.
तो आप यही कहना चाहते हैं कि आप अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म्स की वजह से नेशनल अवार्ड्स जीत चुकी है. मिफ जैसा प्लेटफॉर्म बेसिकली नए अपकमिंग डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर्स को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहा है विद डॉक्यू बाजार. और जैसे आपने कहा कि डॉक्यूमेंट्री मूवीज बोरिंग नहीं है, क्योंकि आज की तारीख में बहुत ही ट्रेंडिंग ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स, वहां पे एक कैटेगरी होता है डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म्स का. सो दिस इज जस्ट अ स्टेपिंग स्टोन बेसिकली टू द फर्स्ट फेज वेयर यू कैन एक्चुअली शोकेस इट टू एन इंटरनेशनल लेवल एट अ मच ब्रॉडर प्लेटफॉर्m.
So true, so true. Thank you.
Thank you so much for gracing with us with your presence at the red carpet, and you're looking gorgeous.
Yeah, he's looking
basically, when you came in, I thought some actress have basically come.
Yes.
Basically, I'm an actor.
See?
Yeah, I did 32 feature films as an actor.
32 feature film and a 2-time national award winner in the category of documentary. So this is the passion for cinema and art.
Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please continue the art of filmmaking and continue with your passion and make
Thank you for
India
your lovely
proud.
words. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, coming on the red carpet is a man who needs no introduction. I call him my younger brother for all reasons, because he is absolutely young at heart. He is seen at all, let me tell you, all of the best social events of Mumbai, and yet managing what he does very well for his country and for India. Sir, we absolutely adore you for the work you do. We have you know, a lot of global presence here at the 18th edition of MIFF. How are you feeling, and which has been your favorite film from the global cinema?
First of all, I am a big fan of Bollywood, as you probably know. And don't ask me what is my favorite film in India, because I can start the line until tomorrow morning. I like very much Indian films, and I'm very happy to be here. And I hope that this documentary film, and we are planning right now to do something along with India, with the documentary. It's about Sir Patrick Geddes, that is actually make the plan of Bombay and Tel Aviv.
Yeah.
But he was Scottish architect during the Raj, during our British mandate,
and he built a city, and this is my aim to make it here as well.
Sir, I remember you bringing Fauda also to India, which has been a it has been a global hit and from Israel. Which are the other films that you plan to bring to our country so that we can celebrate each other's art and culture?
It's a secret, but here we are. That's the name of the film. It's a fantastic film about. It's a fantastic film, in my point of view, about autism and how family take care of this incident in her life, and this is our next film to come very soon.
Fantastic.
And where we will be seeing this film of yours, because I don't think so you are showcasing any of it on the MIF.
I will send you a private invitation.
Yes, see? Sir does not reveal his secrets so
We would have loved to see though it at the Mumbai International Film Festival, but why not here?
We will.
In the next edition, for
That's
sure.
a promise.
But like I say, be it Israel, be it Argentina, be it Switzerland, we had such great global presence at this prestigious red carpet. Sir, thank you so much for gracing with your presence and with your cheerful smile.
And we see you probably inside.
Yes.
He's a good friend of mine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Like sir said, a good friend of mine. I am a good friend of everyone who loves cinema because मेरे अंदर और अक्षय के अंदर सिनेमा का कीड़ा भर के भरा हुआ है, कूट के भरा हुआ है, right?
बिल्कुल,
And
जो
now we
सिनेमा को
have with
प्यार
us,
करता है.
Mohammad Raza Fazel, who is the director of Iran Culture House. Welcome, sir. Absolute honor to have you here. Please, that's your mark. So welcome to the Mumbai International Film Festival.
Thank you.
And coming from Iran, a beautiful country, beautiful culture, which of the Indian films have you seen here at the festival?
First of all, I want to. It was a wonderful event, MIF, and I thank you from NFTC for this event. I showed some of the small films in this festival, and it was wonderful. And the cinema of India is very, very famous in Iran, and Sholay film is a wonderful film in Iran, and very, very nice for Iranian to see this film. Yes.
Fantastic. Do you see any, tell me the similarities between cinema in Iran and cinema in India, because you are the common bridge between us, as you have seen both.
The culture Iran and India, both of them is near, and and we have some literature such as Kelilev Demne or Panchatantra, seems between Iran and India.
Fantastic, sir. On this note, I hope you have a great evening ahead, and I hope to see you again next year with a lot of films from Iran.
Thank you.
Thank
you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Like the celebrities are walking in, and I think we are getting really excited with understanding their vision about cinema. And it's like cinema is something that brings people together irrespective of language and barriers. Coming up next on the red carpet very shortly is a very, very famous and well-known actor who has done a lot of television, movies, OTT. Mr. Vishal Malhotra will be joining us shortly.
Vishal is not only an actor but also a host, an anchor, a director, and a very dear friend.
Fantastic.
Hi.
Welcome to me, Karan.
Listen, it's always hi Karan, how are you? And of course, and listen, it's so intimidating being among such adorable people who are also addedly so attractively gorgeous.
Not like you. A little bit less attractive than you are.
Really, that was for you also, bhai. That was for you also, bhai. Dono ke liye tha ye.
Thank you, Akshay.
So, how does it feel to be a part of Mumbai International Film Festival? This is the 18th edition, and what do you have to say about it?
You know, I have to say that being a part of anything related to films, creativity, art, for me is a huge thrill. So, once again, I just appreciate being around and surrounded by art. It's my passion. and I can live in it. So, of course, it feels amazing.
Vishal, you're also a director, right?
Yeah.
So this whole festival is to bring together all those creative minds. We have been having documentaries, short films, and we've been also hosting the first ever Docu Bazaar, which is actually getting these opportunities to these documentary filmmakers to have investors and purchasers and distributors and those kind of visibility. So what do you have to talk about this initiative?
I'm just so enthralled with your beauty right now that can you repeat the question?
I thought she was saying, Vishal, you're a director. Why don't you cast me?
Yes, no, you are a director, so what is your
She
point of view
knows
about
it'll be
this
an absolute honor. But on a
uh,
serious note, it's an absolutely amazing opportunity because at the end of the day, when commerce and art meet each other, the opportunity thrives. So I'm really, really amazed and congratulations that this is happening at this moment. I wish we had it when we were kind of breaking out and were struggling. Not that we aren't right now, but you know.
That's exactly
struggle
why,
is real, the hustle
that's
is
exactly
real.
why I asked this question to a director.
Fantastic.
How does it feel?
Good
like?
question. I'm also a producer, so I'm also looking at it from a commercial point of view in that sense.
So, if you are a producer, just one last question before we let you go. This time we had the documentary film Bazaar, which is like a marketplace for documentaries. So as a producer, I think it would have been great if you were there. But what do you have to say about this entire idea?
As I said, when commerce meets art, there's opportunity and it thrives. And that's what it is. Creating a marketplace is incredible and I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Vishal, and have a great evening ahead.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
See you later.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, जैसे कि मैंने कहा, सितारों का आना जाना लगा हुआ है और ये शाम जो है वो सेकंड बाय सेकंड, पल बाय पल हसीन होती जा रही है. We have with us the legendary Shekhar Suman.
Thank you so much.
A man who does not need any introduction.
Yes, Shekhar ji, welcome to MIFF.
तारुफ कराते रहना चाहिए
जी.
ऑडियंस की याददाश्त जो है
और
ना,
किसी भी
वो बहुत-
आर्टिस्ट को आई थिंक तारीफ आदत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए, बल्कि he should be greedy for more and more तारीफ and more motivation. And एंकरों के मैं बता दूं इंस्पिरेशन है ये, बहुत ही बढ़िया होस्टिंग करते हैं सर.
Thank you so
एंड
much.
अभी हीरा मंडी में इनको बहुत प्यार मिला है इनके किरदार
Thank
को.
you.
सबसे पहले सर कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत-
Are you
बहुत
absorbing all the
खूबसूरत.
love?
बहुत खूबसूरत. जब भी कोई उत्सव होता है, मेरी जिंदगी उत्सव से जुड़ी हुई है क्योंकि पहली फिल्म उत्सव थी और उसके बाद से हीरा मंडी इज येट अनदर सेलिब्रेशन. और मेरे ख्याल से ये हम सबकी जिंदगी की खुशकिस्मती है कि हम लोग ऐसे खूबसूरत जलसों से जुड़े हुए हैं और हमें मौका मिलता है इसमें शरीक होने का और आप जैसे लोगों से बातचीत करने का एक मौका मिलता है, गुफ्तगू करने का. सो आई एम रियली ऑनर्ड, प्रिविलेज्ड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ सच अ ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म फेस्टिवल.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप दो शब्द एनएफडीसी के लिए भी कुछ कहें, जिन्होंने ये
एनएफडीसी
organize
के लिए
किया.
मैं आपको बताऊं कि जब एक कमर्शियल सिनेमा का जब बोलबाला था, उसमें एनएफडीसी ने एक पहल की थी खूबसूरत सिनेमा की, जिसके श्याम बेनेगल साहब के जरिए या गोविंद निहलानी साहब उन लोगों ने पहल की थी और बहुत सारे अच्छे जिनको कहते हैं अवागार्ड फिल्म मेकर्स जो रहते हैं वो आगे आए, उन्होंने पहल की. नॉर्मली जिनको थिएट्रिकल सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता था या जिनको प्रोड्यूसर्स नहीं मिलते थे, उनको एनएफडीसी सपोर्ट करती थी पूरे कन्विक्शन के साथ. तो एक बहुत बड़ी नींव रही है, एक बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट सिस्टम रहा है पूरे फिल्म मेकर्स के लिए, एक्टर्स के लिए. तो हम सब मिलके एनएफडीसी का शुक्रिया अदा करेंगे एक बार फिर से कि उन्होंने हिंदुस्तान में एक पैरेलल मूवमेंट की शुरुआत की, जहां हमें कमर्शियल सिनेमा के से थोड़ा सा अलग, थोड़ा सा उससे दूर एक बहुत खूबसूरत सिनेमा देखने को मिला जो जिंदगी के बहुत करीब था.
जी शेखर साहब, और यहाँ पर 1000 से भी ऊपर एंट्रीज आई हैं इस बार अलग अलग देशों से और डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज दिखाई गई, शॉर्ट फिल्म्स दिखाई गई, एनिमेशंस दिखाई गई. हमारे इंडियन सिनेमा के अलावा आपकी फेवरेट ग्लोबल सिनेमा की कोई रीसेंट फिल्म, शॉर्ट फिल्म जो आपने देखी हो और आपको बहुत अच्छी लगी हो?
कोई भी फिल्म.
बहुत सारी फिल्में अब तो नेटफ्लिक्स में बहुत कुछ देखने को मिलता है और अभी आपने अचानक पूछा तो मुझे शायद कोई नाम याद नहीं आएगा, लेकिन डेफिनेटली दैट इज अ प्लेथोरा ऑफ गुड सिनेमा जो हमें देखने को मौका मिल रहा है. और इन ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स के जरिए ये जो वर्ल्ड सिनेमा हम कहीं देख नहीं पाते थे या मौका नहीं मिलता था, ये तमाम चीज़ें अब जो हैं कोरियन फिल्म्स खास तौर पे जो एक इस तरह से उभर के आई हैं. और मैंने एक मूवी देखी और जिसका नाम है माय नेम, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम रिमेम्बरिंग. सो इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म और ऐसे बहुत सारी तमाम फिल्में हैं इनका नाम शायद याद न रहे पर फिल्में बड़ी खूबसूरत रही।
जी बिल्कुल सच कहा आपने जब एनएफडीसी के बारे में बात करें तो आपने ये भी कहा कि एनएफडीसी वो एक पहला ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या फिर एक पहला डिपार्टमेंट था, संस्था थी, जिन्होंने प्रोड्यूसर्स को वो मौका दिया कि जो कोई देखता नहीं था मूवीज, उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया। एनएफडीसी ने इस साल मुंबई इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में फर्स्ट एवर डॉक्यू बाजार भी ऑर्गेनाइज किया। दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम वेयर डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर्स कुड कम, engage and have producers, investors and all of that. What would you like to tell about this initiative?
I think it's a great attempt to encourage all these filmmakers in different departments of filmmaking. I mean, it's not, when we talk about filmmaking, it's not just the feature films that we are talking about. It's not the commercial genre that we are talking about. Documentaries are also very important. I remember my entire childhood just growing up watching documentaries, because we were not allowed to watch cinema, go to theaters, so there would be places where you will find out that documentaries are being shown, or children film festival, or things like that, little films that the small budgeted budget films were being made, and we'll go and watch that and really enjoy. And there is so much to learn about life, about society, about so much that's going around us through these documentary films. And I think they need to be encouraged far more than the commercial filmmakers, because they have sort of a backing, and they really don't have to worry about the finances and filmmaking. But these are the guys who need that kind of support, and NFDC has just come forward to support them. I think it's a great thing. They need a huge pat on the back.
फैंटास्टिक सर। और हाल ही में ये एक नए दौर की शुरुआत लग रही है, क्योंकि रिसेंटली एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय फिल्म फेस्टिवल पे भारत की फिल्म को पुरस्कार मिला, भारत के एक्टर्स को बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस का अवार्ड मिला। तो क्या ये एक नए दौर की शुरुआत लग रही है?
बिल्कुल एक नए दौर की शुरुआत है। हमेशा हिंदुस्तान जो है बहुत वक्त तक पिछड़ा माना जाता था। हर मामले में जो है हिंदुस्तान जो है वो पीछे, ऐसा लगता था कि पीछे रह गया। लेकिन अब ना सिर्फ फिल्म में, स्पोर्ट्स में, आप जहां कहीं देख लें, चाहे बड़े बड़े कॉर्पोरेट जो हाउसेस हैं उसको भी हिंदुस्तानी लोग लीड कर रहे हैं वर्ल्ड ओवर। ब्रिटेन के प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो हैं वो हिंदुस्तानी मूल के हैं। तो इस तरह से फिल्मों में भी जो अभी पहल हुई कान फिल्म फेस्टिवल में, अभी जो इन लोगों ने बेस्ट एक्टर अवार्ड मिला है, ये वाकई काबिल तारीफ है। एक नई पहल, एक नई शुरुआत, एक नई सुबह जो हो गई है, और इससे और लोग जो हैं, जो इर्द गिर्द जो कभी कभी मायूस हुआ करते, तो उनको बहुत हौसला अफजाई मिलेगी डेफिनेटली। सो आई थिंक आने वाले वक्त में हिंदुस्तान, ये तो कहते हैं ना कि ये इब्तदा है, आगे आगे देखिए होता है
क्या। जी तो सर, आप ही के अंदाज में मैं चाहता हूं, क्योंकि अब सर आए हैं तो क्यों ना थोड़ा फायदा उठा लिया जाए।
बिल्कुल, ये तो हमारे गुरु है।
एक आप एंकरिंग जरा कुछ सर अपने अंदाज में करते हैं।
अरे अब यहाँ तो मैं फुर्सत में आया था,
अपने रेज्यूमे में डालूंगा आई को होस्टेड
नहीं, ये को होस्टिंग हो ही गई है मेरे ख्याल से। जब हम लोग बातचीत करते हैं ना, हम लोग कभी हमेशा, मुझसे लोग कहते थे कि आप बहुत अच्छे होस्ट हैं और ये है। मैंने कभी अपने आप को होस्ट नहीं माना। मैंने कहा ये सिर्फ एक अंदरूनी जज्बात है, जहां आप दूसरे से कनेक्ट होने की कोशिश करते हैं। एक गुफ्तगू, एक बातचीत, और उसमें जितनी सहजता आप लाएंगे उतना ही खूबसूरत साउंड करेगा। तो नॉट होस्टिंग बट कॉन्वर्सेशनल, जरा बातचीत, जरा एक इनफॉर्मल तरीके से बातचीत हो जाए तो अपने आप में वही बहुत खूबसूरत। और आप लोग डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, इसमें मैं कोई दखल अंदाजी नहीं देना चाहता।
जी, अच्छी बातचीत दोनों की तरफ से।
मुझे मालूम है, जो पहला जो नेशनल अवार्ड था, और वो पहली दफा मुझे कहा गया था कि आप उसको होस्ट करेंगे, और हमने कहा, और वो लाइव फर्स्ट टाइम दूरदर्शन गोइंग लाइव।
ये भी अभी लाइव।
अच्छा, ये भी लाइव है। और वो दिल्ली में हुआ था, और सिटी फोर्ट ऑडिटोरियम में। तो हमने कहा कि भाई हमारे पास कहना क्या है। तो बोले आप कुछ भी कह लीजिए जो आप जानते हैं, जितनी आपकी समझ है उसमें कह। मेरे कहा यू डोंट हैव अ स्क्रिप्ट। नो, टेरिबली शॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम, अभी स्क्रिप्ट नहीं है, तो आप बस शुरू हो जाइए। और एंड द होल शो स्टार्टेड, और वो उसके रॉ में हम बहते चले गए। जब कुछ नहीं बातें थी, हम गलीचों के बारे में बात करने लगे, दीवारों के बारे में बात करने लगे, कुर्सियों के बारे में, फिर सिनेमा के बारे में बात की। दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स। आई थिंक आप जब कोई भी चीज़ करते हैं या कहते हैं, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि बहुत बड़े जानकार आप हों और बहुत रिसर्च करके आए हों। आप एक बातचीत का एक सिलसिला आप जब शुरू कर देंगे तो देखेंगे वो अपने आप ही आपको कई राहों से लेके और खूबसूरत मोड़ से होता हुआ ऐसा चला जाएगा कि आप हर किसी से जुड़ जाएंगे. तो आई रिमेंबर जस्ट बीइंग देयर एंड आई वाज टेरिबली स्कैर्ड कि अगर कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया, क्योंकि यहाँ तो रीटेक, यू नो, एज बीइंग फिल्म एक्टर्स वी हैव द लग्जरी ऑफ अ रीटेक. हाँ, क्या कर लो नहीं फिर से एक और कर लेते. यहाँ तो कुछ है नहीं. इट्स अ डू और डाई. इट्स अ डू और डाई काइंड ऑफ अ सिचुएशन. बट दैट्स द फन ऑफ इट. दैट्स व्हाट कीप्स यू एड्रेनलिन गोइंग. तो ये बड़ा एक एक्साइटिंग रहता है कि आप कैमरे के आगे आए और सब अपने सैकड़ों लोगों से बातचीत करें. यू नो, दिस कैमरा व्हिच यू सी, इट्स जब एक्टर पहली दफा स्टूडियो में आता था, कैमरा काफी विशाल होता है. ये छोटा वाला है और तो उसमें से एक आवाज निकलती थी जब साउंड जो होता तो अच्छे अपनी लाइन सब कुछ जो तैयार हो गया सब भूल जाते थे. एंड सडनली that lens would translate into so many people and eyes. ऐसा लगा पूरा हिंदुस्तान, पूरी दुनिया आपको देख रही है ऐसे और आपको जांचने की कोशिश कर रही है, आपको परखने की कोशिश कर रही है. So basically, you know, you have to just get that very friendly feel. सब दोस्त हैं, सब यार हैं. Nobody is going to hang you for making mistakes. Go ahead and make mistakes.
मतलब ये डीडी है तो ये हिंदुस्तान के हर कोने में जाता है. हिंदुस्तान के हर कोने में लोग हमें देख रहे होते हैं. अगर हमने गलती कर भी लेते तो हमारे ही लोग
पूरा कोनों में ही छिपा हुआ है ना. हम कोने में ही रहते हैं ज्यादातर. पर ठीक है, ये दूरदर्शन तो मैं ऐसा समझता हूँ कि हिंदुस्तान का दिल है.
बिल्कुल
दिल. अगर दूरदर्शन हटा दें तो हिंदुस्तान की तारीख से और इतिहास से एक बहुत बड़ा एक चैप्टर जो है, एक अध्याय निकल जाता है. इसने पूरे हिंदुस्तान को हिंदुस्तानियों से जोड़ा, एक दिल को दूसरे दिल से जोड़ा. सो इट वाज वंडरफुल. आप लोगों को बहुत सारे लोग हैं, आप लोग बात कीजिए, बहुत कुछ बात करना होगा.
आपने हमें दिल से जोड़ लिया और बातें कैसे आगे बढ़ते गई पता नहीं चला. थैंक यू सो मच. हमेशा बहुत अच्छा लगता है आपसे बात करके.
थैंक यू सो मच.
आई होप यू हैव अ ग्रेट इवनिंग.
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू. एंड नाउ लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन,